So just to remember, Tall Analyst is part of SOLIDWORKS Premium. So if you want to give that a whirl, upgrade to Premium. There's lots of other great things in Premium, like the electrical routing and tubing, and not to mention the motion simulation and finite element analysis of parts and assemblies. But Tall Analyst is also part of SOLIDWORKS Premium. It will help you minimize part fit issues that you might get that at the shop floor, or give reports to customers that ask you to do a tolerance stack up. And you can get some fast tolerance optimization. If you want some more, there are a couple of third-party partners that actually do more advanced tolerance analysis. They're out there as well. They're solution partners of SOLIDWORKS. One is CTOL, Six Sigma, and the other one is SigmundWorks by a company called Veritech. And we have lots of customers that do Monte Carlo simulation and production planning, based on the statistical analysis that's done in those software that will work with SOLIDWORKS.